Rob, pharmaceutical development is really a huge topic. What have you come to find to be the biggest gaps and challenges that organizations face when it comes to these major projects?
Well, as you said, it is a very large area, and there's a whole portfolio of different systems that are being deployed to support the clinical development process. And what we find is there's a common theme throughout all of these, is how are companies looking at taking advantage of leveraging technology or information systems to improve the clinical research process. So we get involved with assisting our clients by looking at what investments they've already made. So basically, what is their current state and versus what is their future state that they want to be. So basically, their as-is situation versus their to-be situation. And we assist them by looking at how they can take advantage of leveraging the investments that they've already made, because there's a lot of money tied up in these, a lot of time, a lot of effort, and how they can basically leverage the investments that they've made today and maximize the value that they get from those while building on and improving the solutions that they have in place to support their clinical development processes. So we start by looking at where do they stand today, where do they want to be in the long term, and then come back down to what is the next step in the process and the next step after that. So they have a logical, cohesive approach to solving their challenges. And the challenges will vary from company to company based on what investments they've already made to date, and obviously what are the particular challenges that they may face themselves as a company, because it will vary depending on the size of the company. So obviously the larger companies have much greater investments already in place, and they tend to have more ideas to the direction they want to go in, where the smaller companies have probably greater flexibility looking at how they want to address their problems, but they all have a variety of common problems that they're trying to achieve by applying the technology to support them.